Hi, I'm Slavik Janicki with iDrinkCoffee.com. Today I'd like to present the Lelit Pl41EM version 2. Lelit has always been one of our best-selling brands because it offers exceptional value for the money. The version 2 introduces a new feature that many of our customers have been asking for a long time, and that is a multi-directional steam wand. The new steam wand, first, is much longer, and second, it's on a ball joint, so it can easily be manipulated. It also gives you a very large clearance at the front of the machine if you want to froth milk. I can even use this 32-ounce pitcher and easily fit it. I'll be preparing 2 drinks today. First, I'll make a double espresso, and second, I'll make a large latte using a bottomless portafilter. The grinder I'll be using is the Lelit Pl43 grinder. This grinder uses 38mm conical burrs and again offers an exceptional value for an espresso grinder. It's one of the lowest priced espresso grinders on the market and performs exceptionally well. So first I'm going to grind my coffee. Now the Pl43 grinder has 2 ways of grinding. One is this switch right here. You can depress this switch using your portafilter. Or the second, there's a button here at the side that allows for continuous grinding. I'm going to use this button here at the side because that's just my preference. And I'll grind my doughs. So now I'll insert my portafilter, put my cup underneath the spouts, and engage the pump. The Lelit Pl41EM is a semi-automatic, so you press the button to turn the pump on, and then you press it again to turn it off. It also has a great feature right here, the extraction manometer. That measures the extraction pressure inside the portafilter. As long as you're in the green range, between 8 and 12 bars, you know you're getting a pretty decent shot of espresso. You can see the shot coming out is very nice, lots of crema, and I'm certain very flavorful. Okay, so next I'm going to prepare a latte. So I'm going to froth some milk using the multi-directional steam wand. I've pressed the steam button in. The machine takes about a minute to heat up. And to turn the steam on, I just turn this knob and start. Now the 41EM has a 1-hole tip, which is very precise, gives you a lot of time and a chance to texture the milk. And it's quite easy to use, quite forgiving. Okay. Now after making my milk, I'm going to press the steam button again to go back into espresso mode, and I'll begin my espresso extraction shortly. Okay, so as promised, for my espresso, for my latte, I'm going to extract it using a bottomless portafilter. Now, bottomless portafilter is mainly a learning tool. It allows you to see mistakes in your tamp, and it gives you some insight into your extraction. And now I'll just add milk. Gives me a beautiful, creamy latte.